I'm a serial sneezer. I'll sneeze like 30 times in a row. Other times I feel like I need to sneeze but can't. Is this normal?
Really? 30 times in a row? That could be a record. Seriously, every person has his own pattern of sneezing, a sort of sneeze fingerprint. My wife begins, achoo, achoo, achoo. And the third time's the charm for her. That's her fingerprint. It's different from one person to the next, and we don't know why. All we know is that a sneeze is a complex reflex. It starts when the nerves in your nose detect something that irritates them, like dust, allergens, pepper, cold air, or irritated membranes from a viral infection. When they get irritated, the nerves in your nose send messages to the muscles in your throat, chest, and abdomen to contract, and that sends air out through your nose at hundreds of miles an hour. It's the body's way of trying to rid your nose of the thing that's irritating the nose nerves. For some reason, perhaps as protection from flying particles, the muscles of the face, including the muscles that briefly close the eyes, also get involved. Bright lights can also trigger sneezing. It's called photic sneezing. In fact, next time you feel like you should sneeze but you're having trouble sneezing, look up at a bright light. For 30% of the population, it works every time. From Harvard, I wish you good health.